students, how are you all? I hope you all are good and happy. So, today we are going to begin with the lesson number 17, that is direct and indirect speech. So, there are two ways of saying or conveying a sentence or a word or a conversation. The message you convey directly is known as the direct speech, and the message you convey in your words, you state in your word, that is known as the indirect speech. So let's begin with this lesson. Here there are two ways of stating what a person has said, direct and indirect. दो तरीके होते हैं कहने के कि पर्सन ने क्या बोला है, एक डायरेक्ट होता है, दूसरा इनडायरेक्ट होता है. In indirect speech we repeat the original speaker's exact words. हम क्या करते हैं डायरेक्ट स्पीच में, ओरिजिनल स्पीकर के मतलब स्पीकर के ओरिजिनल वर्ड्स रिपीट करते हैं. लाइक ही सेड आई हैव लॉस्ट माय की, उसने बोला कि मैंने अपनी कीज खो दी है. Note that the exact words of the speaker are placed within inverted commas. Yes, inverted commas are placed होते हैं हमेशा direct speech में, and a comma is placed immediately before the speaker's actual words. और ये comma placed होता है speaker के actual words से पहले. Direct speech is found in conversation in books. ये किसमें find मिलती है? अब conversation books में मिलती है, in plays and in quotations. In indirect speech we get the exact meaning of speaker words. Indirect speech में क्या देता है? Exact meaning देता है speaker के words का, विदाउट यूजिंग स्पीकर्स एग्जैक्ट वर्ड्स. स्पीकर के एग्जैक्ट वर्ड्स को यूज करे बिना. लाइक ही सेड दैट ही हैड लॉस्ट हिज कीज, उसने बोला कि उसने अपनी कीज खो दी है. नो, देयर इज नो कॉमा आफ्टर सेड इन इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच. कोई कॉमा नहीं है सेड के बाद इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच पे. दैट इज यूज्ड आफ्टर सेड, वो कहाँ पे यूज है? सेड के बाद. दैट इज यूजुअली ओमिटेड आफ्टर से एंड टेल प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट, but it should be kept after other verbs like complain, explain, object and protect. इन वर्ड्स के बाद होना चाहिए. लाइक व्हेन वी चेंज डायरेक्ट स्पीच इनटू इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच, जब हम डायरेक्ट को इनडायरेक्ट में चेंज करते हैं, सम चेंजेस आर यूजुअली नेसेसरी, कुछ चेंजेस नेसेसरी होते हैं. डायरेक्ट में इन्वर्टेड कॉमास होता है, उसमें इनडायरेक्ट में इन्वर्टेड कॉमास नहीं होते. These changes are most easily understood by considering statement, questions and commands separately. आप इनको easily समझ सकते हो questions और commands को separate करके. Like statements, asserted, sentence. When we change statements into indirect speech, जब हम sentence को change करते हैं indirect speech में, we have to follow the following points. हमें कुछ points follow करने पड़ते हैं. The inverted commas are removed. जो inverted commas होता है वो remove कर दिए जाते हैं. A suitable verb like told, stated, declared, replied, etc. is used in place of reporting verb. एक suitable verb use होती है told की जगह, stated की जगह, declared की जगह, replied की जगह. After the new verb, the conjunction that is used. Yes, new verb conjunction. उसके बाद the conjunction जो आपकी that use होती है join करने के लिए दो sentences को. If the reporting verb is in the present tense or future tense, अगर आपकी reporting verb present tense में या फिर future tense में, the tense of the verb of the reported speech does not change. जो tense होता है verb का, reported speech का, वो change नहीं होता. If the reporting verb is in the past tense, अगर आपकी reporting verb past tense में, the present tense of the reported speech change. जो present tense होती है reported speech को change हो जाती है into corresponding past tense. Simple present will become simple past. Simple present आपका simple past हो जाएगा. Present continuous क्या बनेगा आपका? Past continuous बन जाएगा, and so on. The simple past tense of the direct speech becomes past perfect tense. जो simple past tense होता है डायरेक्ट स्पीच का, वो क्या बन जाता है? पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस बन जाता है आपके डायरेक्ट स्पीच में. द परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस विल नॉट बी चेंज. परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस है वो आपका चेंज नहीं होगा. If the reported speech states are universal fact, अगर आपकी reported speech state करती है universal fact को, truth को, the tense of the direct speech does not change. जो tense होता है direct speech का वो change नहीं होता. The first person pronouns in the indirect speech change into the person of the subject of reporting. वो जो first person pronoun होता है in the direct speech का, वो change हो जाता है आपका person of subject of the reporting verb में. The second person pronoun in the direct speech change into person of the object of the reporting verb. The second person pronoun होता है direct speech को किसमें change हो जाता है? Person of the object में of the reporting verb. So the third person pronoun in the direct speech do not change. The third person pronoun होता है direct speech में, वो कभी change नहीं होता. So the following words are changed are changed as given below. Now पर क्या हो जाता है? Then, this, that, ago, before, today, that day, yesterday, the previous day, shall, should, can, could, had, has, had, here, there. He's told us. So, in that ways, tomorrow, the next day, last night, the previous night, will, would, may, might have had. So, with the following sentence examples here. Direct speech, indirect speech, simple present में क्या होगा? Seema said, I never eat meat. So, simple past में क्या होगा? Seema said that she never ate meat. Present continuous में I am waiting for Priya, he said. Past continuous में क्या होगा? He said that he was waiting for Priya. Present perfect, I have won the game, he said. Past perfect में क्या होगा? He said that he had won the game. Present perfect, continuous. यहाँ पे continuous आएगा. See, he said, I have been waiting for long. Past perfect continuous, he said that he has been waiting for long. Simple past, I took it home with me, she said. Past perfect, she said that she had been taken it home with her. Interrogative sentence, questions में क्या होगा? Direct question. He said, where is she going? Indirect question में क्या होगा? He asked. Indirect में आ गया कि उसने पूछा. Where she was going. When we change direct questions into indirect speech, जब हम direct question को indirect speech में change करते हैं, the following changes are necessary. Tenses, pronouns, and other changes are like those in statements. The interrogative form of the verb changes to affirmative form. जो interrogative form होता है, affirmative में change जाती है. The question mark is therefore omitted. Question mark हटा दिया जाता है. Like यहाँ से हटा दिया गया है ना. Indirect speech में हटा देते हैं हम. He said, where does she live? Question mark है. He asked where she lived. उसने पूछा कि वो कहाँ रहती है. Indirect में हमने हटा दिया. Who lived next door? She said. He asked who lived next door. Lived and asked आ गया यहाँ पे. What happened? She said. She asked what had happened in indirect speech. कि the introductory verb is say, अगर आपके introductory verb क्या होती है उससे है it must be changed to a verb of inquiry. उसमें change हो जाती है verb में, inquiry की verb में change हो जाती है. Ask, inquire, wonder, want to know, etc. He said, where is the station? Indirect he asked where the station was. Indirect हो गया. If the direct question begins with a question mark, अगर direct question begin होता है question mark से, when, where, who, how, why, the question word is repeated. In the indirect speech question words repeat हो जाते हैं आपके indirect speech में. He said, why didn't you put on the brake? Direct speech है. He asked her, he also होता है यहाँ पे, why she had not put on the brake. She said, what do you want? ठीक है. He asked what they wanted. Them आपका omit भी कर सकते हो आप. Yes, no questions. जहाँ पे आपको खाली yes और no का आंसर देना होता है. In these questions, the reporting verb is changed into asked or inquired. इसमें क्या होता है? reporting verb आपकी किस में change हो जाती है? या फिर asked में या फिर inquired में. We use a conjunction if or whether. हम क्या use करते हैं? Conjunction if या फिर whether का use करते हैं. Before the indirect statement, the question mark is left out. जो question mark होता है वो छोड़ दिया जाता है. Other changes are as usual और changes same होते हैं. Examples: if anyone there, is anyone there? He asks like teacher. He asks if anyone was there. The teacher says, students, do you want to go on a study tour? Like teacher. The teacher asked the students whether they wanted to go on a study tour. The travel agent asked, do you want to go by air or sea? Director. The travel agent asked whether I wanted to go by air or sea. Indirect हो गया. Direct speech में next sentence क्या आपका? Shall I ever see them again? Question mark. He wondered. He wondered if he would ever see them again. Indirect speech में convert हो गया. Questions beginning with you or would you? He said, will you be there tomorrow? यहाँ पे will से begin हो रहा है direct speech का question. He asked if she would, will का उठ गया, would be there the next day. Will you stand still? She shouted. He shouted. He told me to stand still. So, would you like to live in Dehradun? He asked. Question mark. He asked. Todd. Full stop. He asked if I would like to live in Dehradun. Indirect no, yeah. Now, commands request advice in the indirect speech. Direct command. He said, lie down, Raj. Indirect command में क्या हुआ? He told Raj to lie down. Indirect commands, requests, advice are usually expressed by a verb of command. किससे express होता है? Verb of command से express होता है. Request से, advice से, plus object plus infinitive से express होता है. The following verbs can be used like advise, ask, beg, command, encourage, forbid, invite, order, remind, request, tell, urge, warn. ये commands use होती है. Following verbs आप use करते हो इनको. Negative commands, requests, etc. usually reported by not. किससे आपको usually पता नेगेटिव से पता चल जाता है not use होता है वहाँ पे और प्लस infinitives लग जाते हैं. Like don't swim in this lake. Don't आ गया ना do not की जगह. Swim in this lake, boys. I said that I warned the boy not to swim in that lake. Indirect हो गया. Now read the following examples of command, request and advice. ये कुछ examples है किसके आपके command के, request के और advice के. So note that direct speech, direct commands are usually expressed by the imperative. किससे express होता है ये? Imperative से express होता है by request. And advice can be expressed in a variety of ways. जो request और advice होते हैं आप बहुत सारी variety of ways में express कर सकते हो. Like why don't you take off your shoes? He said. Direct है. Indirect में क्या हुआ? He advised me to take off my shoes. Do sit down, said my host. My host asked me to sit down. Try again, said Mary's friend encouragingly. Mary's friend encouraged her to try again. Will you be quiet? He said. He told or ordered us to be quiet. He said, don't open the door. Direct. He told me not to open the door. Indirect हो गया. She told her servant lock the door before going to bed. Direct. She instructed her servant to lock the door before going to bed. Indirect. She told me don't listen to this rubbish. Direct. She advised me not to listen to that rubbish. Indirect हो गया. She asked to her son, do not play with bad boys. Direct. She forbade her son to play with bad boys. Indirect हो गया. The general said to soldiers, march into enemy territory. Direct. The general ordered the soldier to march into enemy's territory. Indirect हो गया. The beggar said to the lady, kindly give me a rupee. Direct. The beggar begged the lady to give him a rupee. Indirect हो गया. Exclamatory sentence. The reporting verb is changed into frame, wish, exclaim, shout, cry or any other similar verb. जो reporting verbs होते हैं change हो जाती है, like claim में हो गई, wish हो गई, exclaim हो गई, shout हो गई, cry में हो गई और कुछ और similar verbs में हो जाती है. अब omits क्या क्या करना है? Omits all the interjections such as oh, alas, bravo, hurrah. ये सारी आपके क्या interjections है. The sense may be conveyed in the form of an adverb. जो इनका sense आप एक adverb की form में convey कर सकते हो. The exclamatory sentence is transformed into assertive sentence. जो exclamatory sentence होते हैं वो assertive sentence में easily transform हो जाता है and the sign of exclamation is replaced by full stop. और जो उसका exclamation का sign होता है वो आप किससे replace कर देते हो? Full stop से replace कर देते हो. The conjunction that is used to introduce the reported speech in the indirect sentence. Here जो conjunction that है वो reported speech introduce होती है आपकी indirect form में. Example क्या like Raj said, how sweetly you speak, Priya. Raj exclaimed with delight that Priya spoke very sweetly. Indirect हो गया. The child cried, comma, oh, it is my toy. The child joyfully cried that it was his toy. What a fine weather is it today, said Nisha. Nisha exclaimed that weather was very fine that day. Inside Toya, he said, alas, how stupid I have been. He explained with sorrow that he had been very stupid. Inside Toya, Rekha said, what a wonderful feat it is. Rekha explained with joy that it was a highly wonderful feat. This is indirect speech. So that's all for this lesson. I hope you all like the explanation of this lesson. See you in the next class.